Right everybody, bit of a quick video for you. I thought I'd do it. I got a couple hours free. I waited for the courier. He was coming late last night anyhow, so I needed to put a core plug in this, and I'd had to start a recon, and there were a few bits I wanted doing because I keep doing bits and pieces with it. Some of you are familiar with this car, you've seen it before on my channel, and it's a early car. It's a 66, but it were actually ordered in 65 by a chap in Italy. It's a one owner car. I fetched it from Italy off his son, bought it off his son, and rest history. And I keep doing bits, and I don't know, then some people want to buy it and then some don't, and it's just usual classic car circles, you know. But it's a Zodi. I don't really have Zodiacs, but I thought I'd have it for rarity of it, and being an early model with 13 inches and that. So, but as you can see, it's really nice. I mean, it's still got original paint on it, 90% even paint's flaking off primer, look, typical of Ford, that's because it's factory. It's got a bit of surface rust all about. Some of you will have seen it before. Interior's nice. Some of the handles have got a bit of pitting on. Yeah, I think it was last on road in 75. Interior's nice, headlining's nice. It's shed, it's a store. There's even a mirror in there, there's all sorts in here. Because I don't know, one day I suppose. We'll see, we will see. In fact, gives your input on it, what you think I should do with it. Do I take it to bits? Because all I have to do with this car is take it to pieces and put it back together and just repaint everything. And it'd be perfect. But then all its patina are gone. So, do you do that or don't you? It's even got these unusual seat belts, only 2 point, and they fasten here. And they fasten there, that's it. They don't have a lower point here. So, I mean, there must have been, I don't think what Italy must have had, but that's just the way it is. So that's the way it is. I mean, you can see I've even cleaned that ashtray. Look how shiny it is. But I think I cleaned this seat up once. Can't remember, but that's me just going on a bit. But I'm just letting you have a flick round it rather than go on to what I've been doing. But as I said, I put a starter on it. I got this time, so I want to put a starter. So I bought a starter on it. I had a starter rebuilt because it had a bad electrical connection up top there. And you see it, and so anyhow, so sort it out. So they fully rebuilt it. Me had a tool, they did everything. So we resolved that, so that got bolted on. But I've had it back alive this morning. Battery will way down, but I think battery's about had it, to be honest, because it's charging up a bit fast and it'll lose its power quick, I reckon. So it was struggling to jump it. But anyhow, I got her going, and when I got her going, I had to put her on a drip because she wasn't priming it pump. So I think we've got an issue in pump. She sort of struggles to get over the bridge there, and she's pulling air like mad, and when you rev it, she's bowling air up. So I think it's pulling air inside pump. I could be wrong. I can't see anything adrift with any connections. They're all new pipes at the back, they're all clipped up properly, everything's done right. And I've even recon trank on this, so I can't see that being an issue. But like I say, I had it going, and it was alright. But also I've noticed that if you crank her for a while, the solenoid wants to jump out, so I'll get a new one. It's a Lucas unit on these with buttons, so they're available. So that'll resolve that. But I just thought I'd let you have a look round at bits of stuff I've been up to, and because, like I say, we just had got a couple hours. Oh, I'll show you the core plug as well if you can see it. Just right down back here. And you see it there, that core plug. I think we're in focus, something like. And I had to put a new core plug because she was just sweating there. So, well, something a bit different for you, because some of you went to seeing this, and some of you might even do a bit of maintenance on. But so starter got resolved, so we're going to do it solo. I should have done it in first place, because it's just when it's throwing in, she throws in, and she's struggling if it has to crank a bit, you know. It's not a starter, because obviously starter's resolved, so. Solenoid's not, I mean, I've cleaned connections up, I've done all that, I did it before, and so, but we're just going all ground. But another thing I'll show you on this now is if you look on here, now this car's actually got some of the green paint. Can you see it there? Just in that, how to fetch the torch, you can just make green paint out there, which what the original colour of the engines, and it's really unusual to find some. But early cars had a green engine, so probably people don't know that. But anyhow, give me a like if you like the video. Just a bit of summit round the Mach 4, and Subscribe to my channel if you want to know more. Pass a comment on this car. Should I take it a bit? Should I paint it, make it absolutely pristine? Because it's like brand fire new everywhere. You know, it only wants taking to pieces and putting back together with paint corrected. Or should I just leave it as it is? Should I sell it? Should I keep it? Whatever I should do, but give a thought on it. Be appreciated. So, take care everybody. Bye for now.